Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your everyday life. Today, we're reviewing the SEQUHITKU 17-pack travel pouches for toiletries, a must-have for anyone who's constantly on the go. These travel pouches are hands down the best portable travel liquid bags for all your toiletries. Whether you're flying for business or pleasure, these TSA-approved, leak-proof containers ensure that your liquids stay safely packed, preventing any unwanted spills. Let's start by talking about the design. The SEQUHITKU travel pouches come in a versatile set, including 5 30ml, 5 50ml, and 5 100ml containers, plus 2 stickers to keep things organized. They're the perfect size to fit into your carry-on or suitcase without taking up too much space. And with their stand-up design, they're not only convenient but also easy to store and access. One of the key features of this travel set is the leak-proof design. The tight threading ensures that there won't be any messes in your luggage, even with the most liquid-heavy products. So whether it's shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or even soap, you can trust that the containers will hold up without spilling. This feature is especially great for travelers who are always rushing to pack and don't want to worry about cleaning up after a leakage disaster. When it comes to convenience, these pouches deliver. The wide opening design makes them incredibly easy to refill, and the included small funnel and spoon make the process even simpler. You won't need to worry about making a mess when refilling these containers. Plus, they are all dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and reuse for your next trip. For those who are environmentally conscious, you'll appreciate the reusable nature of these pouches. They're made with durable materials, which means you can use them time and time again, reducing your need for disposable travel-sized bottles. Not only are they practical, but they also align with sustainable practices. Another great perk of this set is its compactness. These pouches are lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're slipping them into a backpack, purse, or even a beach bag, they won't add any extra bulk to your luggage. And because they're TSA approved, you don't need to worry about delays or issues when passing through security at the airport. You'll breeze right through with no problems. Lastly, the SEQUHITKU travel pouches make for a thoughtful and practical gift. If you know someone who loves to travel, these pouches are an excellent addition to their travel accessories. They're useful, durable, and have all the features a frequent traveler could ask for. So, if you're looking for a travel pouch set that offers durability, ease of use, and most importantly, a leak-proof design, the SEQUHITKU 17-pack travel pouches for toiletries is the product for you. Don't miss out on making your next trip a little easier and a lot more organized. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique.